So you're probably wondering where I've been. That's because at the fair I've made some connections, and I was invited to another event to show off Marduk. It is the Vermont Pumpkin Chuckin down in Stowe at the Flake Resort. So I've been burning the midnight oil to get Marduk ready, recovering from the trauma of transporting from the fair, and also making the insides look a little bit nicer, and a new control system. And of course, paneling up most of the cockpit. We'll just hop inside. So I've got some 3D printed panels and stuff, which are really nice. Some ventilation fans, and overhead lights. So the electrical system actually starts up with a key. So, you get the key and put it in the right hole. Turn it on. Close the lid. Main power and the light bulb. LED actually. So I got a switch for the cabin lights. The locks for the pedals. And the arms labeled actuator lock. And of course the fuse box is right behind there. So it's not underneath this panel exposed to the elements. Real nice. Got switches over here for running lights. And the fans. Hear them buzzing away. I'll just turn off the fans so I can talk about the new control mechanism. Instead of a joystick with double pull, double throw switches, I've got push buttons and relays, the exact mechanism of which I will be showing off in another video. Basically, I'm up, raises the arm, lowers the arm, and twists the arm. You'll notice I'm not holding down the buttons, I'm pulsing them. That's so I don't end up accidentally pulling out the actuators. And of course, Marduk's headlights are working. And I'm going to be replacing some of the rounded stock in the arms with this square stock because the rounded bits are starting to bend, and that is not good. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and if you're not pretty on the outside, you're pretty on the inside. Bye-bye.